Hello students, today we are going to see Value Education Standard 7 Chapter 2 The Two Brothers. Ali and Abraham were brothers. Their mother died very early. Their father also died after some time. So he left for his son a cow and a date tree. Ali was cunning. He was greedy too, and Abraham was a very kind and honest. He trusted his elder brother. They wanted to divide their father's property. So Ali said, I'll be very fair with you, Abraham. You take the front portion of the cow as your share. I'll take the height side of the cow. So each one get his profit only from his share. So in the same way, the tree was also divided. The upper part of the tree went to the Ali and the lower part of the tree went to the Abraham. Abraham fed the cow very well and with the fresh grass and water, the cow became healthy. It gives a lot of milk. Ali got the milk, then he sold the milk and got a lot of money. But he did not share the money with Abraham. So Abraham asked his brother about his share of money. So Ali replied, I got the money from my portion of our cow. So hind part is mine as per the agreement. So each of us gets the benefit only from his part. Abraham said nothing. A wise man advised Abraham. So he said something in his ear. When the next day Ali started milking the cow, Abraham began to beat the cow in the front portion. So the cow started kicking. Ali shouted at Abraham, You fool! Why do you beat the cow? Do you not see me milking the cow? So the front portion of the cow is mine. I cannot do anything. That is our agreement, said Abraham. Ali could not say anything. Finally, he agreed to share the money. Abraham said, No, not just money. You must also share the work of feeding and taking care of the cow. Ali agreed. With regards to the tree, Ali had taken upper part of the tree. So he made holes on the upper part of the tree. A kind of a sweet smelling juice came out of these holes. The juice was collected in pots. These pots were kept near the holes. Ali said the juice for Ali sold the juice for money, but he did not share either the money or the juice with his brother because he is so clever. And the wise man advised Abraham. The next day, Ali was on the top of the tree. He was fixing the pot near the holes. At that time, Abraham started cutting the lower part of the tree. Ali shouted at Abraham, but Abraham reminded Ali about the agreement. He said, I can do anything with my part. You cannot question or stop me. Ali now realized his mistake. He said, Abraham, I have been a bad brother to you. I feel ashamed of my selfishness. I ask your pardon. I promise to look after you hereafter. And so he did. Both the brothers live happily. They shared their profit. So, children, moral of the lesson is fairness is not just about rules, regulation, and punishment. It is really about cooperating with one another in order to have a safe and orderly school, home, or community. We have to think of the peace and freedom which you enjoy when neighbors respect one another and obey the law, and the chaos that follows when there is no law and order. So, fairness makes teamwork, and cooperation possible by clearly defining your duty and doing it to the best of your ability. Fairness does not mean following orders. Like, for example, you should not steal or cheat even if tells you to. So everyone should obey the law and do what is right, including the people in charge of you. Thank you.